Captain Lionel, how is everything? Where are you?
Hi, Sophia. We're okay, but it was touch and go for a while. Atlantis had to navigate some pretty tricky waters.
And the samples?
Fine. In good condition, thankfully.
Good. Where are they now?
En route to you now.
Fantastic work, Captain.
Our pleasure, Sophia. Good luck with your analysis.
Oh, thanks. And as soon as the samples arrive, I'll check for their quality. And in the meantime, I'll get everything ready for the requested tests.
Sounds like a good plan. Bye, Sophia.
And bye, Captain. Okay, right. When will the samples arrive? Okay, let's just do a dry run of the testing workflow one more time. I need to check which reagents I need. I know something changed recently. Start by running BD multi-check to verify that the protocol and specimen staining are working correctly. Next, I will stain with BD OneFlow LST screening tube. BD Fax Lyric is the IVDR compliant flow cytometer. Great, it's already in the lab. Nice and straightforward.